There are two ways to input formulas 1 to 4 for the straight line depreciation method. One way is to directly input the formula into the cell addresses. The other way is to utilize Excel function. Excel actually has a straight line function that you can use. So first I'll show you how to directly input the formula. You want to go to C29 and go enter equal, open parentheses, navigate to D7 minus your salvage value, close the parentheses, divided by the number of useful life in years, which is 4 in this case, and that's in cell D9. And then enter. And that should be the correct yearly straight line depreciation expense. And since straight line depreciation is the same for every year, you could actually copy this down through to year 4. Let's see if that works. And it doesn't. And that's because Excel automatically populates the cell addresses for you as it goes down. So in other words, it adds 1 to the cell references. And you don't want that. So let's undo that and go here to see if there's a workaround. So the way to do this is to lock these cell addresses up so Excel doesn't automatically populate it for you. So lock it up by inputting a $sign before every cell address. So before the D here and before the 9. So you're telling Excel not to add 1 as you copy down. And now it works. So it should be $80,000 for each year and totaling to $320,000 for 4 years. The other way to input this straight line depreciation expense is to utilize the function in Excel. The function is called SLN, so you can go ahead and input an equal sign and type in SLN and it'll show up. And then the cost, salvage value, and life are going to be in this order. So first you navigate to the cell address that tells you the cost of the asset, D7, input a comma, go to the salvage amount cell, D8, input a comma, and go to D9, which is where the estimated useful life in years is, and hit enter. And that should give you the correct amount too. So you can go ahead and work on formula 2 and 4 and check the total to see if it's correct. You can basically use any of these two methods, either inputting directly or use the SLN function for this homework.